So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install Java in your Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. First of all, open Chrome browser in your Windows 11 and search for install Java. Here in the top you can see download Java. Click on download Java. Scroll down a little bit and download Windows Offline 64-bit. Choose the download location and click on save. Here you can see it has been downloaded. Click on it to set up the Java. Click on install. Here you can see installing Java. And there you go, you have successfully installed Java. So that's how you can install Java in your Windows 11. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.